Hi, today we want to talk how we can mark high and low of daily or other time frame, and we see it in lower time frame. Okay, we come in daily. Here we first define our time frame. We set daily, you can change it. Then we get our time frame here. We get high and low of our daily. Okay, then we define upline and downline, and then we determine when new day come. When day of week is not equal with previous day of week, so new day come. So here we set an index, because for example one okay, because we want it to start our bar index from here, from new day. For example, here is Wednesday, here is the previous day, so we want it to start from here, because for example until here our high of day every time will update on every candle, so we don't want it to start from here because our high updated. We want our x1 be here. That's why we save our index here and we use here. Okay, so we say okay, so here we will write and say okay, index equal to daily high, upline equal index and daily high. Okay, and we want to have a clear line, so when new day came we extend previous day until here. Okay, that's why we are, for example, in 1 hour we have a clear line from a start of day until end of day. If we go to 50 minutes, it's same, we have clear line from a start to end. Okay, as the says go, what is just show last? Just show last, say just showing last one, not previous one. Okay, so I say if just show last, delete previous line and again create new one. Otherwise if new day came, don't delete. If new day came, don't delete, but after that you want delete. For example, here if new day came, don't delete previous line, because this line is for previous day and new day came, so we don't need to delete this one. Wait one candle and then in new candle we have new line, then delete previous line. Okay, here you see a bug in current day. This is current day. Let's see can we fix this or not. First we want to in every new candle we can add an option to extend on every new candle, so to extend, for example, until here. So extend so far, so we set upline dot set x2 to bar index, same for downline. Okay, now you see it update and it is really good and correct, but as you see there is a bug. It came here with it came again here. If we change because our low is here, with our, if I save it come here, but when first tick it came here, bug. If I change look ahead off to on, see what will happen. Same. Okay, but even off, it's come here, but after one tick it came here. So for current day, maybe we can use another method. We can say var up value. Here again, now it's float, and here is var done value. Here we assign it up value as high and done value as low. So we say if high is higher than up value, so up value will be equal to high. If low less than low value, done value, so done value will be low. And we come here, instead of daily high, I change word, I write up value. Come here, also I write up value. Here I wrote done value. Again here done value. I save. Okay, as you see, no fixed. So I don't need to use daily high low anymore. I mean request as security anymore. It's working perfect now, as you see, perfect on each time frame. Let's see in 1 minute. Yeah, working perfect.